Heart pounding, palms sweaty. Imagine you're behind the wheel of a fully loaded 80,000-pound beast, screaming down a 7% grade when suddenly your brakes fade to nothing. No warning, just gravity pulling you toward disaster. This isn't Hollywood. It's the terrifying reality captured in real footage from highways worldwide. From Colorado's treacherous I-70 to urban intersections gone wrong, truck brake failures claim lives and wreak havoc every year. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, brake issues contribute to about 30% of large truck crashes in the U.S., often due to poor maintenance or driver error. But what causes these nightmares? How do they unfold? And most importantly, how can you prevent them? Buckle up, Titans. This is Truck Brake Failure Real Footage, where we dissect heart-stopping videos with expert insights to keep you safe on the road. Let's dive into the chaos. In this chilling footage from Colorado's Wolf Creek Pass, a semi barrels down a 7% grade at 50 miles per hour when brakes overheat and fade. The driver, overloaded and riding the service brakes too hard, loses control. Smoke pours from the wheels as the rig jackknifes. Brake fade happens when friction material gets too hot, reducing stopping power by up to 50% per FMCSA studies. Real cause? Ignoring engine brakes, jake brakes, and descending too fast. Prevention: gear low before the drop, aim for 20 to 30 miles per hour max. Use stab braking. Apply firm pressure for 3 to 5 seconds. Release, repeat. Inspect pads regularly. Worn linings fail faster. This video, viewed millions on YouTube, shows a near miss using a runaway ramp. Gravel beds that stop rigs in emergencies. Colorado has over 20 such ramps, saving countless lives since the 1970s. Stay vigilant. Mountains don't forgive. Dashcam from a 2025 incident in Texas captures a dump truck slamming into traffic after an air brake leak. The low-pressure alarm blares, but the driver ignores it. Sudden failure sends the rig through a busy crossroads. Air brakes, standard on semis, rely on compressed air. Leaks from cracked hoses or faulty valves drop pressure below 60 pounds per square inch, locking wheels or causing total loss. NHTSA reports 15% of brake failures stem from air system issues. Prevention: daily pre-trip checks. Listen for hisses, test low air warnings. Drain moisture from tanks to avoid corrosion. In footage, the truck T-bones a sedan, injuring 3. Real consequences of skipped maintenance. FMCSA mandates annual inspections, but pros check weekly. This viral TikTok warns: air systems save lives when healthy, doom when neglected. This Instagram reel from a 2025 California freeway shows an overloaded trailer with seized brakes dragging the tractor sideways. Uneven braking, front axles grip while rears lock, causes jackknifing at 65 miles per hour. Overloading exceeds GVWR. Stressing components, worn pads or contaminated fluid amplify issues. Research from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, links 20% of failures to improper loading or maintenance neglect. Prevention: balance loads, check ABS lights, rotate tires. Use electronic brake force distribution if equipped. In the video, the truck flips, spilling cargo, miraculously no fatalities, but $200,000 in damages. Real footage like this underscores: trailers need separate inspections, ignore them, and you're courting catastrophe. From a Montville police dashcam in 2025, a driver with sudden hydraulic failure grinds against a guardrail to stop. Panic braking overheated the system, fluid boiled, creating vapor lock. Common in older rigs without proper fluid changes. Prevention: flush brake fluid every 2 years per manufacturer guidelines. Train on downshifting and emergency ramps. This footage shows skill saving the day. Driver avoids pedestrians, stops safely. But NHTSA stats: 500 plus annual deaths from brake-related crashes. Real videos teach: stay calm, pump brakes if possible, aim for soft shoulders. Knowledge turns potential tragedy into survival. Woo, Titans! Those brake failure footages are wake-up calls. Remember, inspect daily, drive smart, prevent the nightmare. If this gripped you, like, subscribe to Road Titans for more raw trucking realities, safety tips, and epic hauls. Comment your scariest brake story below. Until next time, keep those brakes sharp and the road safe. This is Road Titans, where warriors conquer the asphalt.